welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Big up on yourself and thank you for coming back. I'm here making some brown stew fish, and I have 2 fish here, and this is all my ingredients that I'm gonna put on my brown stew fish, Jamaican style, Jamaican recipe. Here I have 2 fish, right? And I already seasoned outside already with some Grace fish seasoning and some black pepper. Yes, so what I'm gonna do now, I just cut the side. So I'm gonna put some mix up season with this is some black pepper and the fish season, and I'm just gonna put it right here that I cut at the side here, right? I'm gonna put it in the next one. I put on the Dutch pot on the stove already, so the pot are hot. I'm just gonna turn it over. I'm gonna cut the next side of both of them. I'm just gonna put some more season on this side, okay? So you have to make sure you put the season inside and outside also. Yeah, I already did that last night. I already season it and make it marinate from last night, so it well seasoning, okay? But I never cut the side them. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I just show you the Dutch pot on the fire, okay? Guys, here I have my pot and it's hot, so I'm gonna pour some oil in there. I'm just gonna let this hot. So what I'm gonna do now, if you want, you can cut your fish in 2, cut in half, but I'm not gonna cut my fish in half. I'm just gonna put in them all up. Okay, gonna put in the next one. I'll let my fish fry until, what I'm gonna do now, guys, is to just turn over. So make sure your pot well hot. Because you don't want your fish to stick to the pot when you turn it, you understand? Yeah. So what I'm going to do next is to take out my fish. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. So I'm not going to throw off any oil because I didn't use a lot of oil. So I just going to put in all of my seasoning in the pot, okay? So first, guys, I'm just going to add in my garlic. I have green sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, I have some chopped pumpkin, some chopped carrot, and I have some scallion, onion, parsley, and some okra. So this is all my seasoning I'm gonna use season up my brown stew fish, okay? So just gonna add all of them in the pot. What I'm going to do next is to combine all of this together, and then I'm going to put some water in there and just let it just steam for just 3 minutes, and then I put in my fish. What I'm going to do next, I'm just going to add some ketchup. Gonna add some more seasoning, which is the fish seasoning that leave back. Gonna combine this together. Gonna just put in my fish and let it just steam. I'm gonna put in some butter. Not much, just a little bit. A little flavor. So what I'm gonna do now is to just add in my fish, okay? Just using my hand to level it in the pot. So I just gonna put some of the seasoning on it. And I'm just going to cover it for about 5 minutes, and then I'll show you how it look after 5 minutes. If you need to take it out or not, okay? Look of my brunch stew fish. Big up on yourself, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Big up on yourself to all my new subscriber and all my old subscriber who always coming back, and you know, all my old subscriber guys, 100% support. You understand? I believe in that 100% support. You know, we are all, you know, YouTuber, small YouTuber, and we're supporting each other. If you come and just watch a video for just a second and you make me feel like, say, you watch out my video and you give me a thumbs up and you don't, I will not come back to your channel. You understand that? That's me, because I believe in, you know, we're supporting each other on YouTube. We're supposed to support each other 100%. That's what I believe. That's what supporting mean. So big up on yourself, and thank you for watching, and thank you for coming back. Thank you for all my new subscriber and my old subscriber. Big up on yourself. I love you and I appreciate you all. God bless you. Bye.